Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name's Jen, and I am a self-taught nail enthusiast. And in today's video, a long-awaited video actually, I had this Vettsy box sitting over in the corner of my room. This is from February. Sorry guys, but I'm gonna unbox it now. Here we go. Okay, so I ordered this in February because I wanted it for Valentine's Day. Then we went on vacation and it kind of threw everything off. So I figured I would just go ahead and open this bad boy up and show you guys what's inside. I ordered this on Vettsy end of January. It was $69.99 for the box. I think all of their mystery boxes are that much, or not all of them, but I got the big mama because I wanted the most that I could get. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. I will tell you I have taken a peek at it, but I haven't opened anything to see what's inside, but it just looked like there was so much stuff in this box. So here we go. What? Okay, so I'm gonna move this out of the way off to the side so I can just start pulling products out and show you guys what's in here. So I'm just gonna take all these little stickers off the top. So we've got nail vinyls, some rose stickers. These are beautiful. Some hearts. Obviously, these are all going to be Valentine's oriented. So if you're not into that, but you know what? In my head, I would still put hearts on my nails. It doesn't really matter. These are very cool. These are some beautiful pearls and flowers. Looks like some little caviar beads in there. This looks like gel polish instructions or something. I'm not really sure. And some more hearts. So those are gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and set them over here. I'll just kind of display everything as I pull it out of the box. The next item that I see, if I can get it out, is this desk lamp. It's super cute. Oh my gosh, it's a rose. I'm a child. I'm sorry. It's a rose. Yeah, that's definitely a rose. The only thing that I will say is that if you were trying to do the apres method or whatever, you're not going to be able to do that with this. This would be more, there is a little button in there, but this would be more just if you were I forget what that's called. When you just slightly cure it a little bit. Why is my brain dead right now? I say that in every video, but it happens to me way too often. Okay. So, the next two, I'm sorry. I'm a child. I can't stop looking at it, okay? If you know, you know. The next thing are just some little, what is in here? Oh, there's let's see, butterflies. These are just random little gems. And this one has hearts, but these are they look like candy. Oh my God, they look like candy. They're sugared, little hearts. That is so cute. Oh, I love that. That's really adorable. Okay, we got some polygel. Let's see. In GL13, in Valentine, and in Marshmallow. I will do a swatch of everything at the end, just so we can kind of see what we got. All right, let's see here. I'm going to pull these two bad boys out because these look interesting. So if you don't know, Vettsy has these, I think, okay, this is just, it says LED gel. So they have these pudding gels, which I think are in here as well. I've never used pudding gels. I've seen other companies with them, but I'm really interested to try them out. Okay, so I'm just gonna try to carefully open this without destroying my cuticle pusher. Ooh. Okay, I don't know if that's gonna be one of those reflective polishes, but it sure looks like it. And that is gorgeous. It's almost got this gunmetal effect to it. That's really pretty. That is in 600, in case you were wondering. This is 002. Let me just do the same thing. I'm gonna need something to wipe my handy dandy tool off. Get it open. Ooh, a gold. Okay, these are stunning. I cannot wait to get that on my finger. I'm wondering if they're a full coverage consistency. Okay, the next thing that I see are just a bunch of liner brushes. What the heck is this? Nail art pen, nail graffiti pen. I have no idea what that means. We'll open that in a sec. But we've got a gel brush and 3 liner brushes. They look really nice, actually. So, and they're really pretty. I like the pink handle. Ooh, and it's got a little, okay. The package is broken, so I'm just gonna pull it out. It's got this nice divot for your hand. That's nice. Those are really gorgeous, actually. All right, let's check out this pen here. What the heck is this all about? There's no English writing on it other than the name of it. It says DIY. What the heck? It does look like a pen. I don't want to push down on it yet. It almost looks like, I'm assuming it's white. I wonder if that's for like writing letters and stuff like that. That would make my life a hell of a lot easier. Okay, then we have just a line art gel in red. I assumed correctly. Very nice. Not super thick, which is nice. I bought a couple from a cart and they were so gunky that it bent the brush in the bottle. So I was a little disappointed in that. And then we just have a dotting tool, which is super cute. My son always shakes these up because he thinks it's funny how it sounds. These are nice and tiny. I need more tiny ones. Some of the ones I have are just too big. Then we have a cuticle oil. Very nice. It's in lemon. Lovely. Okay. Just gonna throw that on my bed. And we have solid nail tip glue. Okay, this is probably gonna be like the one that I got from Born Pretty store. Or Born Pretty. Let's see what the consistency is, because that one you guys saw was really hard. And someone did say like you have to soak it for quite a while. Actually, the person that said they bought one off of Vettsy. Okay, see, that looks completely different. So I have high hopes for this product because I just want to like stick my cuticle pusher in there. Yeah, I mean, it's putty-like, but it's not completely dried up like the other one was. And like that one was almost like crystallized over the top. So, all right, I'm grabbing something in a box now. This is a gel polish. I think that's cute that they have the little square there so you can swatch it. Sorry I'm going so fast. I just want you guys to see. Oh, and it's got like the little cap too. What color do we have? Ooh, is this reflective? Because this looks like a reflective gel. It doesn't, it just says gel polish. So I don't know. I'm gonna grab another one because I'm interested. Okay. It's got like, this one has a little bead in it. Did this one? No. Or is that the cap? No, there's something in there. Huh. What the heck? Is this the same color? Because that would be disappointing. No, this has more of like a champagne-y and this is more, like this one's more silver. All right. Is that the lid? No, there's something loose in the cap. That's weird. Okay, moving right along here, children. Let's see. All right, we have quite a few of these ones, and these say solid gel polish. I don't know what that means. I think these are the putty ones, if I'm not mistaken. So when you buy these, there is a picture, so you kind of have an idea of what you're getting. I'm just gonna take them all out of the boxes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got cut off. I'm working with a new camera here, guys, in case I didn't mention that. But here is the white one that I had opened. If you watched Miss Jo's latest nail video, Miss Jo Nail Co., she talked about the difference between like nail paint and nail putties and that kind of stuff. I don't remember what she said, but I know she said it was very similar to a nail paint, and it certainly looks like paint. So, and then I went ahead and opened that last one of these, and it is like a rosy gold shade. Stunning, 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 stunning. These are gorgeous. I honestly want to just put everything on my nails right now, but I know I can't. Okay, the next few items. Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm going to grab this. Move on. These are magnets, which means there are magnetic gels in here. I'm going to assume that these are them. I could be wrong. I'm going to have to test out which one is. But I have magnets and another little swatch thingy, which is kind of cool. I'm wondering if these ones will work out better because I've seen people use these ones and it almost looks like they have an easier time. Then they just gave us some of these French stickers, you know, so you can figure out like, oh, and yes, that's my thumb. Yeah. So totally my fault. This nail was lifting. And then it lifted and lifted on even more to the fact that you could look down underneath the nail. And instead of taking it off like an intelligent person would, I left it and then it flipped over and ripped off my nail. So all of this is like my skin. And then this is all like product that's left on, but I'm too scared to soak it off because I think it will hurt. So as I was saying, the next items in the box are like glitters and gems and that kind of stuff. So, are these little swatch thingies? I think they are, because it looks like these are stickers. So we've got squares and hearts to put on our little bottles and all our thingies. That's so fun. And thank you for that, by the way, because honestly, I don't really like swatching just like on the top of my containers. So I usually just don't swatch. I'm going to grab just one at a time so I can like show you everything at once. Here we have some, we got lots of hearts and little thingies. I actually really like this color gem, and I've been dying to try it in a video. I just feel like I don't know what to put it with. Maybe we'll put it with this. We'll see. Who knows? I gotta come up with something, right? We got some more here. We've got some heart stars and horseshoes. Just kidding. Just some really cute things. I don't know. You know what I mean. Like, they're just cute. And then we have some chains, it looks like. I think I was saying, and I probably just stopped my thought and got distracted. But when you go to purchase this box, there is a picture of a box. And they're like, you know, the contents that are in this may not reflect what you're going to get. I would say it's like 90% of what was shown in the picture. Maybe a couple surprises thrown in, but like I remember these chains. I remember all these gels like sticking out and the brushes and the poly gel. So there's not much of a mystery to what's going to be in this box. And this is supposed to be a mystery box. So then we have some just individual glitters. These are more chunky glitters. I don't want to take them out of this plastic packaging right now because it's gonna get everywhere. These things are never sealed all the way. So, and then we have some more hearts. We have some like closed ones and then open ones and just like some confetti ones in gold and silver, which I do appreciate. And then of course we have some stones. These are clear AB crystals. I don't own anything like that. That's beautiful. And these are like the silverback ones, and they are flat back in multiple sizes. There's quite a lot in here actually. I'm excited. My eye is on these. I feel like that could create a really beautiful like iridescent effect to the nails. I like that. And some hearts. Now, I don't know why I didn't open this box sooner, because I basically bought like all this stuff for Valentine's Day and for nail looks when I could have just opened this damn box and it would have been there. But who cares? Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and swatch all of the polishes and the poly gel. I don't know how I would test out this pen. Maybe I'll write on one of the cured spots or something. But I'm going to do that, and then I'll come back and I'll show you and I'll give you my final thoughts on this box and whether I think that it was worth the price, if it was like a fun mystery box, and if I would buy it again. So I'll be back. There is so much stuff on my desk right now, I can't even fit it all on screen. So abso-freaking-lutely, yes, I think it's worth it. You can see all these stunning colors here. Ugh, this color is like taking my breath away. This is absolutely beautiful. And these glitters, yes, I'm an idiot and didn't put them on. I mean, I did, but then when I screwed the cap back on, they got messed up. So like, whatever. These two look very similar, very, very similar. I don't know, they look different in the bottle, but then when you look at the swatch, like you can't really tell the difference, but that's like nitpicking. I'm sure there are gonna be a couple people that are gonna be like, you can get half that stuff off of like AliExpress or Ipsy. Yeah, you can. I know what you mean. Sure, like all these things are probably like $1 to $2 off of AliExpress or Shein. I didn't mean Ipsy, I meant Shein. But honestly, like I don't mind, because when you think about the cost of all of this in the middle, that's what you're paying for. And to be honest, this is all just extra. Like, this is just crazy. Like, I was not expecting all of this stuff in that box. I really wasn't. I'm pleasantly surprised. I wish I would have opened this sooner than later. Sadly, I just didn't get to do a lot of the Valentine's looks that I wanted to do this year, that I had planned on doing. But I promise you that I will make a video with all this stuff, and I don't care if it's cutesy and has hearts all over it, because to me, like, why does that just have to be in February? I would wear that all year long. So you guys, let me know down below what your favorite item was. Obviously, like, I'm gonna use this stuff in a video, so I don't know how it performs. I have read mixed reviews on these things on Amazon before, and they're quite expensive on Amazon, so we'll see. But I'm excited to try it out. So thanks for being here, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you are watching and you have not subscribed yet, please do so. It really helps me and my channel grow. It helps my videos to get pushed out more, especially when you like and comment on my videos. Interacting is really what gets the videos pushed out to other people. It's all a numbers game here. So please go ahead, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. I think I'm on Twitter too. So go follow me over there. I've been posting more on TikTok lately. Some videos, they're getting some traction. So I would love for all of you guys to go check me out there as well. Please give this video a big ol' thumbs up. Don't look at the nail if you like this sort of video and want to see more like it. And please don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye, guys.